Money is not everything. Ghetto free, nigga. Put your hands for it.
He said the fuck of this. It's nice out. It's beautiful. And it's Saturday. We out here flipping the grass, doing some nice gardening for the summertime. And if it's beautiful outside, we already know I'm getting calls. Just trying to see what's going on, man. What it do, baller?
39 right there. What it do, cuz?
What it do, baller?
What it do, baby? On the Audi. V8 though. One's good. It's right up the street. I'm gonna grab the other rim from right here, from right up the street. The other three rims put out right.
Audi clean. God damn. You got this motherfucker clean as fuck. Damn, what year is that? 01? 25? That's that motherfucker fat. 25 Audi. Hard. Detail, I like how he did that.
You see that A7? Everything. I had the A7 on Volano.
It was just on Marketplace.
I had the blue A7.
It was just on Marketplace. It was on Marketplace. For sale?
No.
You ain't selling on Marketplace?
Dude didn't want the rim.
He look good.
Dude didn't want the rim.
He got chilly as hell. He just out here.
It's too thick. So they didn't go on. So I just got the new tires.
Oh, them rocks on the side. What you doing? This smacking the shit out of my
That nigga just gon' take, he ain't gon' buy a thing. Besides you, babe, I swear to God, bitch, I love this Mary Jane. Hey, my bitch, she gon' holler me. I'm like, baby, hold up, ain't got time to speak. Busy in the desert, keep you freaky, baby, fuck my
What it do, baller? How was it over there on the south side?
Man, the fucking police was just, they
Police
was running
is deep.
everybody away.
Yeah. I heard ICE over there too.
Yeah.
Man. They had the first Cinco de Mayo Kart meet. What you do, bro? They had the first Cinco de Mayo Kart meet today. And they say the police ran everybody off on top of ICE out there. What you do, man? You done switched up?
No.
Switched up on another truck. Yeah. What you do, man? They outside, boy. Oh, had the Jeep. He fucked the game up. They came out here deep as hell, man. They came out here deep for a prom send-off. Shut the block down. I like that. Y'all notice the fiberglass back bumper? Oh God. What it do, baller? I'm talking about your fiberglass bumper, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. That's sweet. Yeah.
I'm gonna go put the big boys on there, though.
Big boy, what size is them?
These 26.
These 60s?
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them.
They look big. Oh, shit, y'all all going 30s. Okay, yes, sir.
They're precious.
Here you go, look, 30 gang.
Yeah.
Shout out to the High Roller Truck Club. Ain't buying no toys out here, man. Nice detail. He put the high rollers in the back of the rim. That's different. Stupid interior. He got his own video. And it's another video coming soon. He do interior.
What's that, man?
What you do, baller?
Word, Joe.
What's going on with you?
Yeah, coolin'.
I see y'all outside.
Yeah, a little something.
Y'all was fucking Tatonia up. Y'all base was deep as a bitch. I'm like, they some damn where? And I looked up, y'all was coming across the damn light on Tatonia. What you do, baller? It's cold as hell. It was feeling good earlier. What happened? It was.
How you doing, boy?
It was. What you do, man? What you do, baller? What's going on with you?
Well, I want to call that strawberry honey, but
What up,
I thought
Negro?
well, that thing was nasty.
What you on? What up?
Hey, bro.
I'm ready to go.
What up, bro?
What's all on?
Sending stepson off to prom and shit.
That's that son?
Finna ride with him.
Oh, that's this, nigga. Look at it.
Yeah. They down there.
That's what I got there. You got it.
No,
You got it all. Look, I went straight to his chain. You got it all.
Followers and everything.
Shit.
Players, I get money with them.
Hey, you going to prom, man?
Just a little bit.
Damn. You make everybody out here feel old. What the hell is going on? Cuz, dude, you was damn. It felt like that was just a couple years ago. Prom in high school? Look. You done, Uncle Tom?
Hell yeah, my tubes tied. I ain't having
Oh, man, look.
These motherfuckers expensive.
This how you pulling up?
Yeah, this
You
how
finna pull up to prom like this? Oh, yeah, you finna go crazy. You finna go crazy. That was you that was just driving? Yeah. Man, I thought that was Toya. You was just on 60th and Capitol.
Yeah.
Your high yellow face. I looked up, I said, look at this nigga, look at it.
That's what
I didn't know that was you.
Confused. I'm like, do I turn? Do I go straight? Do I turn? Do I go straight?
Yeah, you was coming across 60th. You supposed to turn and came up. Yeah. How it feel, Uncle Tom? Feel good? Another one from Chevy Customs. It's going crazy, boy. I like bro suit. Got the mirror on the Ruchis. Nice size wheel. So he fast, burning rubber. Bet that motherfucker drive like he ain't got no reels on it. Then we got the mirror over here. DUBs, 26s. Tiffany blue with the white. They outside though, man. They shut the block down for the kids. That's love. Shout out to Custom Whips, Chevy Customs, High Rollers, Truck Club, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's how y'all do it, man. Shut the whole block down. Both sides, whips. It's real colorful. Shout out to 50 Ball. Hey, bro got his own video coming. Man. Check out the pearls. What it do, man? Finally get to see that motherfucker, dog.
Yeah.
I like how they did them damn pearls. He laid the shit out that paint. Look at that. He did something different, bringing out the lime green in the paint. He brought the green out the paint by putting the green Impala sign, the Chevy sign, with the green inserts, with the green lights. said the fuck of the distance.
That's how we rock. The fuck is the distance is.
Yeah.
25, baby.
With the Arkansas plate. Yes, sir.
Killer plate.
Hey, you ready for Racine?
Am I? I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, I know, man. We ready. We going crazy. The whole city want to know what's going on with the car meets. We outside, though. Again, it's a kid prom sent off. I said a kid. This young man in high school. Poppy was at my first car show. A kid. You know what I mean? Now he in high school. He's probably about 6, 7. And he out here pushing his pop shit on his way to prom, man, with his date in the back. That's what's up. Where y'all going next?
For the MLK in North Africa. What I think they said 30 North Africa.
30 North? That's about what's the name? About
Hey, they about to pull. We all finna pull up. They got about 20 cars finna pull up for prom.
I want the loud as hell. I see you got a new color. Yes, sir. You on some bullshit. It look good too.
Man,
It sound like mommy in the truck.
everybody say that dog. Everybody.
It remind me of the truck.
That's why I went back there.
Oh God, it remind me of the truck. Who painted it?
Jacob on the south side.
Jacob on the south?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, they geek. That motherfucker sound good, look good. Mounted up. Yes, sir.
Ghetto boy shit. Money is not even ghetto free, nigga. Put your hands for it.
They got the Porsches outside, boy. Yeah, going. I think it's going crazy, dog. What the fuck y'all got going on, man? What you do, Baldy?
Look, this what we doing, man. You know, I had to pull the Porsche out. Then, you know, I met my mans. My mans had to pull his Porsche
What
out.
you do, Baldy?
What's happening, fam?
What you do? You do the gold Ruchis on them. Gonna go in here, options have a drink. Rest in peace, Big Kurt, man. Rest in peace, Big Kurt.
Don't forget, I had to bring the other Porsche, too.
Yeah.
That's my blue one.
Oh, that's the other one you was talking about?
I got two
Yeah,
of them.
man.
That's what the sub was from there.
Hey, man, that's what a bitch did.
Dog.
That's a box. That's what I had to do. On the previous album.
Going crazy though, man. Rest in peace to Hurt. Security guard from Gold Diggers. They got them toys outside though, man. Gonna go in here and have a drink. Enjoy the night. Saturday. What you do, P? What's going on with you, player? You out here big Benz riding? Big Ben's riding. How the fuck you beat us?
Shit, I told you I was on 35th and Village.
Oh, yeah. Love, man. If y'all haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. We got heat dropping all year.
Hey, yo, this nigga got a Porsche too, but he don't want to pull it out. That's behind him.
My wife want me to bring
Bro, he painted this. That's the paint man.
Oh, I'll pay it out.
Alright. And Tiffany blue. I'm gonna have a drink that stank, man.